capture, store, access, share, and collaborate around medical multimedia like it's the 21st century. Welcome to Sectra Enterprise Imaging, a consolidated solution made for you. Our solutions are built with an enterprise platform, enabling diagnostic and clinical tools, each tailored to fit your hospital's specific needs. Streamline the complete workflow for any imaging discipline and take care of everything from diagnostics and distribution to management, teaching, and quality improvement. Multidisciplinary collaboration leads to faster and more precise decisions, which can improve clinical efficiency as well as patient outcomes. And with a unified system, you get easy access to all relevant images, data, and patient records integrated seamlessly with surrounding IT solutions. Sectra Enterprise Imaging comes with 24/7 support, designed for 0% downtime with complete data protection, on-premises, or as a cloud service. It's easy to get started, easy to learn, and easy to use, so that your time can be used where it's needed the most. Sectra Enterprise Imaging, made for you.